Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chev, and today I'll be showing you guys how I got this passion twist hairstyle. So if you're interested in this video, keep watching. So I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this hairstyle and what products I use in this video. So that's the hair that I'll be using in this video, and I just want to show y'all how I achieved it and what I did to get it done. So as y'all can tell that I use rubber bands because I'm not doing the fully video of like how I put in the rubber bands. I know that's pretty simple for everybody know how to put in rubber bands, so I don't think I need to show that part, but I will show how I crochet this hair in and how I twist it down. So first of all, I push the crochet through, not the rubber bands, but my actual hair that I rubber band, and then I split it in half, and then I will try to make it uneven. I'll pick it like a longer side and a shorter side just to give me some length, because I want this hairstyle to be very long. If you want it to be short, you can even it out. And then now I'll be just like tightening the rubber bands on top of the hair, and then I will put some of my Shea Moisture primer in my hair just to give it some moisture on my hair, because I will be keeping this style in for a little while and I don't want my hair to be dry as usual. So now I'm just splitting my hair in half, and then I'll take each side and put it on the other side of the hair, and then you're gonna feel comfortable with which side is better. For me, I have to like practice which side was comfortable for me, and if I feel like it's not comfortable enough, then I know that's not the side to twist on. You're gonna feel it when you start twisting. So like you see, I started over because I felt like it wasn't the side that I was supposed to twist on, like it wasn't gonna come out right. So I'm gonna twist it on the opposite side, like I was showing y'all. Like I split it in half, and now I'm gonna twist it. So as you twist, you want to tighten as you twist. So tighten as you twist, don't slacken, just twist like you're doing like a rope twist. That's how I was twisting. I was twisting and twisting the hair also individually, and I twist all the way down to the bottom. No, I did not dip this hair in hot water because I didn't feel like I needed to. See, the end of the hair, because I made it uneven, I try to unravel that piece to blend in with my actual hair, so it won't be poking out through the hairstyle. So I'm gonna show you all again. Like I said, I put the crochet needle inside of the hair underneath my hair, and then I will make it uneven, as you can see. And then I will tighten the rubber band to the root of my hair after I made it uneven. And it's me tightening the rubber band. Don't do it too tight because you don't want your head to like really hurt you. I was not doing mine very tight, and then a lot of people don't like rubber bands because they feel like rubber bands cut your hair out, but to me, I was fine with it. But don't do it too tight, because like I said, this style is gonna be just like you get braids, like fresh braids done. So it will take a minute. If you want to put it up in a ponytail, I suggest not, because it will take a minute. So like be comfortable for you to even try to put it up in a ponytail, because that's how mine was. So yeah, now you can see I'm still showing y'all the same technique that I did, which was pushing the crochet needle under the rubber bands and then pulling it through, and then pulling one side over and making it uneven, because I want length. If you want length, you're gonna make it uneven. If you don't want length, you're gonna make it even. Okay, now I'll be tightening the rubber bands and then twist away. Make sure you put some type of product on your actual hair while you twist, because like I said, you want your hair to be moisturized because of the hairstyle and how long you're gonna keep the hairstyle in for. If you're just gonna keep the hairstyle in for like maybe a week, which nobody is gonna keep their hairstyle in for a week after you just done put in all this work, girl. No, I don't think so. I don't think we're gonna keep it for a week. We're gonna keep it for at least a month and then figure it out. So moisturizing your actual hair is the best way to go about it. I'll suggest just take your time when you twist, because sometimes if you twist too fast and you don't twist tight, it could leave like a loose end for your hair to start poking out. And I don't think nobody likes that or want that. I was putting edge control off on it because at the end of my hair, I was trying to make it blend and look very realistic, as you can see. put it up in a ponytail and do all the extra stuff, because right now like it's not tight, but it's kind of tight, so I can't really do like too much with this hairstyle, because right now I just got it done and it's like it's nowhere. I'm gonna put it up in a ponytail and do all the extra stuff, because I literally just finished it. But I actually use 7 packs because I saw videos and I was like, I don't want mine to look very skimpy. Skimpy means like I don't want it to look very see-through. I don't want it to look very like I didn't have enough hair and I couldn't finish, so I did very big parts. No, I didn't do that because I just wanted to look not skimpy. I don't want it to look skimpy, so that's why I didn't do that. But it's very cute. It's very light. I don't really feel like it's heavy. I know it looks like it's heavy, but I feel like it's not heavy. That's just my preference. Like one of these crochet needles, and they sell them in the beauty supply store. It's very easy to do this. I feel like the other way it was slipping. Not when I did it, because I didn't try it the other way, but I feel like it would slip, and I wanted, like I said, I wanted to last a long time, so I don't want it to slip. So that's why I did it with the relevant method, because I feel like that's the easier way and it's faster, and I don't have a lot of time just to sit here and do this. Like, you know, like it's already gonna take up like 6 hours, 5 hours. You don't have like 10 hours to sit here and do like your old head, especially if you want it long too. It's gonna take some time, and then you gotta put all the rubber bands in. It took me like about an hour to like put all my rubber bands in, and then it took me like 2 hours to just do half of the back, because what I did was I did it by sections. I actually did half, so I did the front piece and then a back. So I did the back piece first, and then I just leave the front, and then when I finish the back, I start going to the sides, and then that's how I end up being in the top. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please remember to press the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I post new videos. See you guys in my next video. Bye.